Hello everybody, this is Billy and welcome to PRM Media Channel. Today we will be covering the topic of the industry for blown film die heads. Now we will be presenting you one of the biggest players of the industry, which is HSIN LONG Thread Rolling Machine Company, who has a vast amount of expertise on professional manufacturing, and also it specializes on blown film machine with single and multi-layer die heads and other related components. These machines can produce many applications such as biodegradable plastic bags, films for medical, food packaging, and agricultural films, and many others. So here with me, we have Sandy Chen, a special assistant to the general manager from HSIN LONG Thread Rolling Machine Company. Hello, Sandy.
Hi, Billy.
Thank you for being here with us.
Yes, thank you for you inviting me.
Okay, Sandy.
Yep.
We would like to ask you if you could tell us more about your company.
Yes, HSIN LONG has many experience in blown film machine and its components, and we focus on multi-layer die head and biodegradable blown film machine. Our company provides the best service and good quality for our customers. We focus on the machine processing and precise measurement of quality control. In quality control, we will focus on the circularity, concentricity, and verticality. These 3 points make our company for the special one.
Sandy, we would like to ask you what makes your blown film machine and die heads different from your competitors?
The difference from the competitor is the quality. The quality is the most important part for HSIN LONG, and each product we give customers has a complete quality control, and including the after-sales service. As I mentioned before, the quality control including the 3 kind of points: the circularity, concentricity, and verticality. These 3 points is very important. It will influence the quality to enhance the straightness, flatness, and the thickness of the film. This is the biggest advantage.
So we could say your quality that you provide to your customers is very precise and very careful made, right?
Yes, right.
We would like to ask you, due to COVID, what were the biggest challenges currently in your industry in terms of communication, logistics, and customer service? And how did your company has been facing it?
COVID-19 affect many industries, including our company. Transportation and communication are the biggest challenge for HSIN LONG. We cannot visit overseas customers and cannot attend exhibition this time. We focus on online exhibition and online service for our customers. We have 2 ways to provide service. The first one is talk by phone to understand their requirements. And the second one is provide instruction video for installation and maintenance.
Okay. This means that HSIN LONG is agreeing to attend to online exhibitions around the world, right?
Yes, right.
According to your knowledge, what are the recent trends in the market? And how does your company has been adapting to this change?
Recently, based on the change in the market and the customers' habits, multi-layer die head become the demanded. HSIN LONG already has many experience in the multi-layer die head, nearly more than 20 years, and in this field provides many solutions and many suggestions to our customers. Because of the change in the policy and the issue of the environment, biodegradable film are getting more demanded than the multi-layer die head. For this issue, HSIN LONG has the experience and the technology.
Okay, so this means like lately, have you been receiving orders from international buyers for these kind of machines, biodegradable machines?
Yes, many our customers have the requirements of this kind of machine.
Okay, as we know, HSIN LONG will be participating on the CHINAPLAS exhibition 2021, right?
Yes, right.
we would like to know what is the purpose of Shilong to attend this exhibition and what kind of materials can we see on your booth?
For CHINAPLAS 2021, Shilong will also focus on the multi-layer blown film die head and the biodegradable blown film machine because this trend, as I mentioned before, we believe this will bring our customers the highest benefit. If you have any question, you can visit our booth and also check our website. And our booth number is 9C05.
Well, Sandy, thank you very much for giving us this great insight of the industry.
Thank you, Billy.
And we would like to say thank you also to the audience who has been watching us now. And we would like to also mention that on the coming month, Shilong will be publishing an article covering this topic, what we have discussed until now, and will mention more detail to their machines. Stay tuned.